Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can create a new task in your account on Evernote in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, head over to Evernote, and as you can see, there are these, log into your account of course, there are these three options in the top left: Note, Task and Event. So select Task and start customizing your task. Give it a title, task 01 or something like that. You may describe it below. Set a due date, like today, tomorrow, custom, or a repeating a due date or repeating task. Set a reminder, assign the task to a team member by clicking into this button. And that's basically it. Below you may set a priority level, and once you're ready guys, click into create task here. And the task will be saved within your task section here, so that you may organize it from here or navigate to notes, and that's it. You may also create new tasks by clicking into this button. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.